Hi children, how are you? I hope you are doing good and I am also doing good. Okay, you stay at home and be safe from from the dangerous coronavirus. Okay, you stay at home. Okay, let us study through online classes. In the previous class, do you remember what we studied in the previous class? We had studied about walnuts and watermelons. Which was the topic? Walnut and watermelons. Walnuts and watermelons. I will tell you the summary one more time. There was a man. His name was Nasruddin. What was he doing? He was resting under a walnut tree, under a large walnut tree. And then at that time he noticed that there was a vine creeping through the ground. And what was on the vine? In the vine there was a large watermelon. A big watermelon was there in the small vine, that means thin vine. A big watermelon was there in the thin vine, and he noticed that small walnuts were growing in the big walnut tree. Small walnut seeds were growing in the big walnut tree, and big sized watermelons were growing in thin vines. Then he think about why God has created the fruits in such a manner, why God has created these fruits in this contradictory manner. That means in big trees there were small seeds and in thin vines there were big fruits. Okay, then he said to God, "Oh God, I have a doubt. Do you give me a chance to ask you a doubt?" What was the doubt of Nasruddin? Nasruddin asked God why you created these fruits in a strange manner, in an odd manner. Yes. At the same time, when he asked the question to God, what happened? A walnut seed fell off from the tree and it fall on his head. It hit on his head, Nasruddin's head. Then suddenly he felt relief. Nasruddin felt relief and said that, now I understand that why God has created these fruits in this manner. God knows everything. If a watermelon is hanging from there and if it fell on his head, what will happen? He might be killed with that watermelon. Okay, it was the chapter. Yesterday we completed the chapter and today make page number 26. Take page number 26. All of you took? Yes. Page number 26. Make sentences from the following words. Make sentences from the following words. Why? First one. Why? Listen here. What is wine? Wine. What is the meaning? A climbing plant. Wine is a climbing plant. Wine is a climbing plant. Can you make a sentence using the word wine? Very good. Grapes. Listen here. Grapes. Grapes grow in vines. Grapes grow in grapevines. Grapes grow in grapevines. That are not vines, grapevines. Grapes grow in grapevines. Grapevines. Say louder. Grapes grow in grapevines. Where does grape grow? Grape grow in grapevines. Grape grow in grapevines. Do you know the correct answer? Do you get the point? Grapes grow in grapevines. Grapes grow in grapevines. Second one, permit. Second word, permit. P-E-R-M-I-T. Permit. What is the meaning of permit? Permission to do anything. Consent. Permission to do anything. He permitted me to play. Let us write a sentence. My mother permitted me, P-E-R-M-I-T-E-D, permitted me to play outside. Play outside. My mother did not allow me to play outside every time, but now my mother permitted me to play outside. Listen here. My mother permitted me to play outside. Is it clear? I will tell you the sentences one more. While grapes grow in grapevines. Okay. Then second one, permit. My mother permitted me to play outside. My mother permitted me to play outside. Then next one, tick the correct answer. All of you listen to the text. Tick the correct answer. There are two options for each one and you tick the correct option. Nasruddin was dash under a tree. What was he doing under a tree? What was he doing? He was, first option, playing. Second one, resting. Which one is correct? He was resting. He was resting. Second option was correct. You tick the second option, resting. R-E-S-T-I-N-G. Resting. R-E-S-T-I-N-G. Resting. Second option was correct. Next one, watermelons were growing on dash. Watermelons were growing on dash. Options, a big strong tree, a thin weak vine. Where do watermelons grow? Yes, watermelons were growing on thin weak vine. Second option, you tick the second option. Put a tick mark near the column in the second option. Okay. Then third one, he thanked God because small walnuts did not hurt him. A big chocolate fell from the tree. What was the incident? Do you remember? Yes, small walnut did not hurt him. He thanked God for small walnut did not hurt him. The first option is correct. You tick the first option. Then, who said to whom? Who said these words to whom? Page number 27. Who said this word to whom? I suppose nature's way may not be as odd as I thought. Which was the sentence? I will read it one more time. I suppose nature's way may not be as odd as I thought. Who said these words? Nasruddin said these words to God. To God he said these words. Nasruddin to God. You write in the space provided. You write along with me. Nasruddin. Nasruddin to God. Said it to God. Nasruddin said it to God. G capital God. Whenever you write the word God, write the first letter as capital letter. Nasruddin said it to God. Clear? Nasruddin, N-A-S-R-U-D-D-I-N. Nasruddin said, S-A-I-D, said to God. Nasruddin said it to God. Nasruddin said it to God. Next exercise, complete the following sentence using the words given in bracket. Complete the following sentences using the words given in bracket. First one. Watermelons are dash. Watermelons are dash. In the bracket there are two words, color, taste. Color, taste. Watermelons are, you can write in the space provided, colorful and tasty. Colorful and tasty. You write in the space provided. Colorful and tasty. Spelling C-O-L-O-U-R-F-U-L. Colorful and T-A-S-T-Y. Tasty. Colorful and tasty. Next one. We get watermelons in dash season. We get watermelons in. Is it winter season? No. Summer season. Very good. We get watermelons in. Second one, you write in the space provided. watermelons in summer season. S-E-A-S-O-N. S-E-A-S-O-N. Summer season. We get watermelons in summer season. We get watermelons in summer season. S-U-M-M-E-R. Summer. S-E-A-S-O-N. Season. Summer season. We get watermelons in summer season. Third one. Walnuts are dash. In bracket there are two words. Size, color. Walnuts are, third one, small sized and colorful. Walnuts are small sized and colorful. S-M-A-L-L. Small. S-I-Z-E-D. Sized and colorful. C-O-L-O-U-R-F-U-L. Colorful. Last one, that is fourth one. Walnuts are good for dash. In bracket there is a word nutrition. Good for our nutrition. Walnuts are good for our nutrition. Fourth one. Our nutrition. N-U-T-R-I-T-I-O-N. Nutrition. N-U-T-R-I-T-I-O-N. Nutrition. Walnuts are good for our nutrition. Okay. Then there is a writing section. You went to a bird sanctuary. Bird park. Bird sanctuary. Salim Ali Bird Sanctuary is there, and he is an ornithologist, Salim Ali. And here you went to a bird sanctuary and saw many small and big birds. There were many peacocks too. Complete the dialogue with your mother about any doubt you have. You went to a bird sanctuary with your mother and you had seen so many small and big birds there, and you have some doubt. You ask your mother and complete the following dialogue. You may begin. You. Mother, today at the bird sanctuary we saw many small and beautiful birds from abroad. I wonder why our beautiful peacock cannot go abroad so that others can see it. Mother. Can you write long sentences? It will be very difficult. I will give you this in notes. I will give you the writing section in the notes. Then next is grammar power. Grammar. Articles A. Which are the articles? And the. Which are the articles? A, and the. These three are the articles. These are the articles. A-R-T-I-C-L-E-S. Which are the three articles in English? A, and the are the three articles in English. A, and the. Page number 28. You listen. The articles A, and the. A, E, I, O, U are vowels, and the rest of the 21 alphabets are called consonants. A, E, I, O, U. These 5 letters are called vowels. These 5 letters are vowels. A, E, I, O, U. These 5 letters are vowels. These 5 letters are vowels. And the other 21 letters are called consonants. An is used before nouns that begin with a vowel or a vowel sound. Where do we use an? An is used with the nouns that begin with all these vowel letters or vowel sounds. An onion, an ant, an apple, an ice cream, an umbrella. Like that, the words that begin with the letter, vowel letters, these 5 vowel letters or four vowel sounds. H-O-U-R. It is pronounced as hour. It is not hour. It is hour. It is not hour. We don't pronounce H-O-U-R as hour. It is hour. Hour. Then the first sound is A. Is that of a A. The first sound of this word is A. Hour. A is a vowel sound. It is not a vowel letter. It is a vowel sound. Hour. Hour. The first sound is vowel sound. So we use an hour. An hour. Okay. An hour. Then only-one. It is a vowel letter, but the sound is one. One. Va is a consonant sound. Va is a consonant sound. Va is a consonant sound. So we use A. A1. Not an one. A1. Here not A hour. It is an hour. So where we use an, where we use the article an is used before the nouns that the first sound of the noun or word, the first sound of the word is a vowel sound. When the first sound of the word is a vowel sound or the first letter is a vowel letter, we can use an in front of that words. An in front of that words. An is used before nouns that begin with a vowel or a vowel sound. Example, an apple, an hour, etc. An apple, an hour. A is used before the noun that begin with a consonant letter or sound. A chair, a table, a classroom, a door, a man, a boy, like that. Whenever that is not a vowel sound, we can use A in front of that. Then a pen, a European. It is, listen, it is European. E-U-R-O-P-E-A-N. European. The first letter is E. It is a vowel letter. But when we pronounce European, the first sound is Ya. European. Ya. The first sound is Ya. European. Then that sound is not a vowel sound. It is a vowel letter, but the sound produced by the word European, the first sound is not a vowel one. It is a consonant sound. So we use A European. A European. Is it clear? Yes. The is used when we mean something specific. The article the is used when we mean something specific, or if the thing special or one of its kind. When we want to specify one thing, that is the only one of the kind. When it is the only one of the kind, that means this sun, there is only one sun in the world, in the whole universe. The moon, there is only one moon in the world. The king, we are specifying that king. We are telling about that particular king. The earth, only one earth is there. So we use the with the nouns that are used for specific nouns, that are mentioned for specific nouns. Before the specific nouns, we use the article the. Okay. Then put a an or the before the following words. Okay. Here are 13 words for you, 13 nouns for you. Put a, an or the in the appropriate blanks. First one, dash girl. Write along with me. A girl. Dash girl. First one. A girl. Second one. A pen. A pen. Third one, a house. A house. Fourth one, the sun. Listen. A girl, a pen, a house, an apple, the sun. Okay. Then sixth one. An orange. An orange. Seventh one. A factory. A factory. You do it now. A factory. Eighth one. The moon. The moon. The moon. Ninth one. A swing. A swing. Tenth one. An egg. An egg. An egg. Then 11th one. A man. A man. 12th one. An honest man. An HONEST. Honest man. An honest man. 13. An hour. An hour. Listen, I will tell you once more. A girl, because it is a consonant sound or consonant letter. A pen, it is a consonant letter. A house, it is a consonant letter. An apple, it is a vowel letter. The sun, it is a specific thing. An orange, first letter is a vowel. A factory, first letter is a consonant. The moon, it is only one thing in the world and it is a special thing. A swing, first letter is a consonant. An egg, first letter is a vowel. A man, first letter is a vowel. An honest man, it is a consonant, H is a consonant, but the pronunciation, that means the sound produced by the word. The first sound produced by the word is honest. O is a vowel sound. So we use an hour, I had already told you that when the first letter is a consonant, if the first letter is a consonant, the first sound produced by the word is a vowel sound. So we use an in front of an honest, an hour, etc. Is it clear? Yes. Next one, filling the blanks using a or an. Next exercise, filling the blanks with the a or an. Fill in the blanks with the a or an. My father was dash small boy when he came to town. My father was a small boy. A small boy. My father was a small boy when he came to town. My father was a small boy when he came to town. Second one. An apple a day keeps a doctor away. An apple a day, first letter capital letter because it is the beginning of a sentence. An apple a day keeps the doctor away because the first letter of alphabet apple is, the first letter of alphabet is a vowel letter and it produces a vowel sound also. So we use an. We use the first letter as, we write the first letter as capital because it is in the beginning of a sentence. Okay, then next one. I read a dash fairy tale today. I read a fairy tale. Yeah. I read a fairy tale today. I read a fairy tale today. Fourth one. An honest man is always loud. An honest man. An honest man. It is a consonant, but it produces the sound of a, the first sound is that of a vowel. Honest. H-O-N-E-S-T. How do we pronounce it? Honest. The first sound is that of a vowel sound. So we use an. We write the first letter as capital because it is in the beginning of a sentence. Okay. Then next one. We use a or an when we come across something for the first time. When we use the when the same noun is used again. Okay. I saw a crow. This is an example. I saw a crow. The crow was sitting on our park. Okay. When we mention the crow for the first time, I saw a crow. There was only one crow. When we say it for the first time, we use the article a. Okay. I saw a crow. When we use the noun for the first time, we use the article a or an. A or an as per the vowel letters or vowel sounds. Okay. And when it is repeated, that means I saw a crow. Again we are describing that crow. Again we are telling about or discussing about that the same crow, that specific crow. We have already studied that when we say something specific, when we talk about something specific, we use the article the. When we mention some specific thing or some particular thing, we use the article the. When we say about the crow for the first time, we use the article a. And when we discuss about the above mentioned crow, above mentioned thing, we are discussing about this crow and this specific crow. So we are using the crow. The crow was sitting on our park. Okay. Do you understand? Yes. Let us do some more exercise. In your text, exercise C. I bought an orange from the market. I bought an orange. Listen. I bought an orange from the market. The orange is sweet. Why do we write the there? In the text there is the orange. Why? We are discussing about the above mentioned orange. Is it clear? We are discussing about the above mentioned orange, that particular orange. Okay, so we use the. A man was walking on the street. A man was walking on the street. The man was a vendor. I saw a man walking on the street. We are using a man because we are using the word man for the first time here. Okay. At the same time, just after that, we are discussing about that special man, that man on the road, that man on the street. The man was a vendor. It is used for the, the is used because we are mentioning about that particular man. Okay. Then we use the article the. Read the story and circle the articles a, an and the. Circle the articles. I will tell you, you should do it now itself, otherwise you couldn't follow me. An ant fell into a pond. An ant. Circle the word an. Circle the word an. Ant fell into a pond. A. Circle the word a. A pond. A dove saw the ant. A dove. A. Circle the word a. Circle the letter a. Dove saw the ant. Why do we write the? We had already mentioned about the ant. The ant. The dove, we are telling it for the second time. The dove, circle the word the. Through a leaf, a. Circle the word letter a. From the tree. The tree. The ant, circle the word the. Ant climbed the leaf, the, and reached the shore safely. It thanked the dog, the. Circle the word the. Second paragraph. One day, a hunter, a. We are discussing about the hunter for the first time. A hunter came to the forest. The forest. He wanted to shoot the dove. The dove. As soon as he took aim at the dove, the article. The ant. Circle the word the ant bit him on his foot. He missed the shot and the dove flew away. The dove. The. Circle the word the. Flew away. Next one. Next section. Pronunciation. 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 Which are the words? Loud. L-O-U-D. Loud. How do we pronounce it? Ow. Loud. Ow. Loud. Mold. M-O-U-L-D. Oh. Mold. It is not mold. It is mold. M-O-U-L-D. Could. C-O-U-L-D. O-U. U. The sound U is produced. Could. Could. Then mountain. M-O-U-N-T-A-I-N. Mountain. Ow. Mountain. Then fountain. 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 Listen here. Ow. Loud. Ow. Loud. Ow. Loud. Then mold. Oh. Mold. Oh. Mold. Then could. Ooh. Could. Could. Ooh. Mountain. Ow. Mountain. Mountain. Fountain. Ow. Fountain. The letters or you have a different pronunciation in different context. Different pronunciation in different words. Okay, I will repeat. Mold, loud, could, fountain, mountain. Is it clear? Then nature gives us fruits and vegetables according to the season. Vegetable. It is vegetable. It is not vegetable. The word vegetable, we are all pronouncing like a vegetable. It is not vegetable. V-E-G-E-T-A-B-L-S. It is vegetables. This E is not a pronounced. Vegetables. It is vegetables. Okay. Don't say that. From today onwards, you don't say vegetable. It is vegetable. Vegetables. Then, nature gives us fruits and vegetables according to the season and our needs. We should eat seasonal fruits and vegetables as they are healthy and fresh. Collect some fresh fruits, apples, bananas, etc. and tell your mummy to show you dry fruit like dry fruits like cashew nuts, almonds, walnuts and raisins. What is the difference? Color the fruit you get in summer and circle the dry fruits. Here are some dry fruits and here are the picture of some dry fruits and some seasonal fruits. Okay, first of all you take crayons or pencil color. Pencil colors. Don't use sketch pens in the text. It will be very messy. It will be very dirty. Your text will be very dirty. So you use color pencils or crayons to color the vegetables and nuts. Color the seasonal fruits and nuts. It is not vegetable. It is seasonal fruits and nuts. Okay. Let us wind up today's class. Our chapter is over. In the next class, we can start our next chapter. In the next class, we can start our next chapter. Today, what are the things we studied? Let us recall what are the things we studied. We made sentences using two words that are wines and permit. wines and permit. Then what do? Then we complete following the 2 more sentences. We complete some more sentences, and after that we studied about articles. We studied about articles. Which are the 3 articles? Which are the 3 articles? The 3 articles are a, an, and the. A, an, and the. The use of 3 articles, and where we use the 3 articles we had studied. And then pronunciation of some words, OU sound, pronunciation of the sound OU. Then which you have to color some pictures. Okay, today let us wind up the class and let us continue, let us do a new chapter in the next class. Okay, thank you.